Hi guys, you're watching Eat More Lose More. Today I'll be sharing with you all PCOS or PCOD diet plan for weight loss, with the help of which you'll be able to lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks super effectively. But first, quickly let's discuss what kind of diet should women suffering from polycystic ovarian syndrome should consume. They should have foods that are high in fiber, high in protein, low in glycemic index, and stay away from processed foods. Their diet should be low in dairy products and also low in gluten products. So today I'll be sharing with you all PCOS diet plan which will help you lose weight fast and also which will help you reduce the symptoms of PCOS as well. Recently, my lots of clients followed this diet plan for immense weight loss and they were able to see great changes in their body as well when they were suffering from PCOS, and so can you. So for personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number and we can start your weight loss transformation with me. So without any delay, let's get started with PCOS diet plan to help you lose weight fast. So early in the morning, empty stomach, we'll start our day with ginger turmeric tea. Why ginger and turmeric is important when it comes to your early morning drink? It helps to balance your blood sugar levels, also fights inflammation, which is one of the major causes when it comes to PCOS. It also boosts and supports your immune system. Preparing this tea is super easy. All you have to do is in 2 glasses of water, simply boil 1 teaspoon of ginger and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, or you can even use desi or amba haldi, which is natural haldi, and let it boil for at least 2 to 3 minutes and have it sip by sip empty stomach. Second option for your early morning drink is you can have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. All you have to do is add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water, mix it well and have it early in the morning empty stomach to reduce your blood sugar levels and also to help you boost your metabolism for the entire day. And now let's proceed towards our breakfast, for which I'll be giving you 2 options. The first one is for all the vegetarians out there who can eat eggs. You can have veggie omelette prepared with 3 egg whites, and along with that you can add lots and lots of veggies to it like bell peppers, mushroom, broccoli, capsicum, corns, carrots, whatever you can add to make it more fuller and to add lots of veggies to it, prepared with 3 egg whites. Second option for your breakfast is fruit smoothie. Now, why fruit smoothie in the breakfast is one of the best options for you for weight loss as well and to keep you satiated for a longer time of the day. You can add lots and lots of seasonal fruits to it like banana, apple, peach, pear, dried berries, 2 tablespoons of oats to make it more fuller, and dilute this or adjust the consistency with water or with almond milk or with Greek yogurt. Simply blend it out and it tastes yummy each and every manner. Here are a few of the recipes of my smoothies that I've prepared: apple oats banana smoothie, or you can even have a fruit smoothie bowl, which is very easy to prepare and very fuller as well. You can always add muesli to this smoothie to make it more fuller and to enjoy it well. And the best part about this is that you can carry it and as well as you can have it along your way. 2 minutes to prepare and very yummy as well. Now let's proceed towards our mid-morning snack, for which I'll be giving you 2 options. The first is that you can have 1 cup of green tea rich in antioxidant levels, and along with that you can have 5 soaked almonds and 2 walnuts. Second option is if you cannot have this, then you can always have 1 chopped cucumber. To this you can add 1 lemon squeezed over it, but do not add any kind of salt or any kind of seasoning to this. Simply have your cucumber as it's a good source of fiber. Proceeding towards our lunch, and as usual 30 minutes before our lunch we'll have apple cider vinegar in lukewarm water. Having apple cider vinegar before lunch helps to digest your food very quickly, and second, also it helps to lower your blood sugar levels so that you don't get an insulin spike when it comes to your food consumption. Adding 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar in 1 glass of lukewarm water and having it 30 minutes before is as easy as 1, 2, 3. So please enjoy it and definitely do not skip this step. First option for your lunch is you can have brown rice, 150 grams of cooked brown rice along with any kind of pulses or legumes like rajma, white chana, soya or black chana, or you can even have any kind of curry along with it if you cannot have these pulses because of any reasons. Along with that, do not forget to have a good full bowl of salad along with it, which contains cucumber, tomato, onion, lettuce, whatever is available with you, just add to the bowl and have it along with your brown rice and pulses. The key here is to lower the carb level and increase the fiber level in the plate. Or if you cannot have this, then you can always have my Mexican salad, which is very easy to prepare and also similar way to make a salad which is fiber rich. Here is a recipe for my Mexican salad, you can check it out. Proceeding towards our second option for lunch, which will be moong dal dosa, or you can have plain dosas along with coconut chutney and yes, salad. Now, why moong dal dosa or plain dosa? Because fermented food is amazing when it comes to your PCOS. It is high in calcium, rich source of probiotics, and also increases and improves your digestive health and aids in digestion as well. So you can always have moong dal dosa, which is high in protein, and plain dosa high in fermentation, along with homemade coconut chutney plus salad. Third option is you can have any of the following given sandwich recipes. These contain high amount of fiber, high amount of protein, and calcium as well. So you can check these sandwich recipes out here, which is being displayed here, and enjoy your lunch. Proceeding towards our mid-evening snacks, for which I'll be giving you two options. The first is you can have tea or coffee as per your own preference if you like to have tea or coffee, but make sure to add very little milk to it, or always switch your milks to almond milk or soya milk or oat milk, but no sugar at all to be added to any kind of beverages. Along with that, you can have one piece of dark chocolate. Why dark chocolate? It is a powerful source of antioxidants. It improves your brain function and also it improves your blood flow and lowers your blood pressure as well. So it is always better to have a piece of dark chocolate when it comes to your weight loss also, and to boost your antioxidant levels in the body as well. Now proceeding towards our dinner options, for which I'll be giving you three options. The first one is soup. Why soup? Because it is always warm in nature and you will not feel hungry for the rest of your night if you consume soup for your dinner. You can have cabbage soup, you can have tomato zucchini soup. The recipes for both the soups is already upon my channel. Tomato zucchini soup is somewhere displaying here. Go check it out, it's super yummy to prepare. The link is given in the description box below to check out the recipe, and it is very easy to prepare and you can enjoy your tomato zucchini soup for dinner. Very satiated as well. Second option is you can have haldi almond milk with added 2 drops of almond oil. Now this particular recipe is for all of those who are suffering from constipation. This drink can help you freshen up in the morning itself very easily because of your 2 drops of almond oil added to the milk. It helps to soften your stool and also to create lubrication against your intestines, which is very important when it comes to constipation. Third option is you can always have a bowl of papaya or pineapple, because both are great for your constipation also and to help you reduce your weight fast very easily. Always make sure to have your dinner very light when it comes to your weight loss journey and also to help you with your PCOS or PCOD symptoms. Now proceeding towards our bedtime drink. Always have a cup of chamomile tea when it comes to your bedtime drink. Why? Because it helps to reduce the stress of the entire day, reduces the cortisol levels in your body, and also great source of hydration and to improve your metabolism for the entire night. In place of this, you can always have ajwain tea or jeera tea if you cannot have chamomile tea because of any reason. Both the teas help you to remove your water retention from the body, get rid of bloating very quickly, and definitely you'll see a number going lower on the scale the next morning very easily. With this diet plan, please make sure to consume at least 2 to 3 liters of normal room temperature water without any fail, to provide your body with hydration, to help you remove all the bad toxins from your body very quickly. And this diet plan can help you lose 7 kgs in 2 weeks super effectively if followed A to Z without any cheats. For personalized weight loss diet plans, you can always mail me at eatmorelosemore7@gmail.com or WhatsApp me on the given number, and start your weight loss journey with dietitian Sheena and be the best of yourself. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment below if you have any query regarding any of the meal plans or any of the recipes, and I'll be more than happy to revert back to you. Follow me on Instagram to stay updated for all the upcoming diet plans, client transformations, what I eat in a day, and weight loss recipes as well, and special weight loss tips and tricks for Instagram fam. And I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay healthy and stay fit always.